Hello, this is Jason Hodges from AgTerra. In this video, we're going to review how to attach a Strider form to an application. This gives you the ability to add customized forms to any SprayLogger application to be able to capture additional information. Once you have a job started, and I've already gone through the process of starting a job here, I can open up my window. This is either right after you've started or maybe close to the end of the job. Just make sure you do this while the spray job is running. I can click this little form icon here. It's going to ask me to add a SprayLogger form. I can select from my list of available forms. That will open up Strider, and then I can begin to fill out that form. In this case, I'm just doing a small weed survey. And then I can hit Save Form and Exit. So now that form is attached to this spray record. At this point, if I would like to go back and edit it, I can click on my little 3-button icon over here, and I can either send that form in, or I can edit it or delete it. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and hit Send. And now that's sent in, and I'm done, and I can go ahead and hit Stop Job. Thank you very much. This has been Jason Hodges on how to attach a Strider form to a spray application.